Let's fastly go and try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, it has a great effect. Let's see how we can create this. Okay, at first we need to create the first slide. I'm going to create a first slide. In that, we need to a new slide. I'm going to copy that. It's just a rectangle and nothing more important. The important thing is that how we create this text. I just simply copy the text, paste it here. You see, it's nothing special. How we can create it like that? By reducing the size. It's easy. We change the font, increase it in size, centerize it, and in the center of it. Okay, you see it created easily. We can also create these two things just the same. Okay, after we creating this thing, we need to create each slide. How we create each slide? Let's try to create the next slide. We copy this slide, we copy the text, we paste the text here, and just simply increase it in size and delete the gaming thing. And for the next two thing, let me just copy this student thing to look the same. Okay, it is first thing and here. Now, in the second slide, how we create that? We just simply copy that, select these two things. By holding Control, we can select two things, but it's not giving me access. Okay, by Shift, move them out, increase it in size, increase it in size, and then just simply paste the text here. I just for now copy these two things here, but we need to do some modification. First thing is that we need to select all of them and format them here. In the format object, we need to give them shadow from the left to make them logical. Now everything is created. We just need to add this text and set the transition to morphs. Now let's run it. Okay, let's run it from here. If you like this kind of transitions, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.